how to go from this to this, this is what we will find out in this video. Have you had that before? You wanted to create a beautiful wall art and there was a object on the picture and you just didn't know how to remove it. There is a solution for you, because in Canva there is a magic eraser which can help you to remove any object or person or any tree or anything else you want to remove. So this is what I will show you today. For example, let's see, I have this picture. This is actually one of my friend's picture, and there is an object, this car, I want to remove it. So how you can do that? So if you click on the picture, you just go to edit photo, and there is this magic eraser I mentioned before. Then there is a brush size, so depends on the size of the object or whatever you want to remove. If you go like small, then it's small. The bigger the brush size, the bigger will be this circle for you. So because I want to remove this car, actually I don't need that big brush size, so I think around, yes, 18, it's fine. So what you would like to do, you just want to go to the object. So I'm just, as I'm going to my circle, I just want to put on this car, and I want to start like a painting. You want to be careful, and you want to actually use on the actual object. And now you just release the mouse and waiting for Canva. So ta-dam, drum roll please. Yes, I think it looks good. However, if you can still see some shadow, you can go again. So what I will do, I think it's better if I go again, because I saw something. So I think it looks better if, yes, so let's do it again. Release the mouse, drum roll please. Ta-dam! Look, it looks better now. So this is how we went. I show you the original picture, hopefully. So this is how we went from this to this. And now actually we can use this picture for whatever we want. For example, I can use for a beautiful wall art. And this is what you can do as well. So you have it. Now you know how to remove anything or a picture, any object from a picture in Canva. If you like this video, then please give me a like. It helps me out with the algorithm. If you would like to see similar videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. It would be really appreciated, and I really appreciate all of your support. And now we are 605 of us, so we reached the 605 subscribers, and my next level I would like to achieve the 1000 subscriber. So please help me out, and please subscribe to my channel, because I know a lot of you didn't subscribe just yet. And I just finished the video here, and I would like to wish you have a lovely evening, morning or afternoon, or wherever you are in the world. And because Easter is in the corner, then I would like to wish a very lovely happy Easter. And if you would like to do how you can put this design or any of your design to a mock-up in Canva, then just please tap on the screen and check out that video where you can just see how you can do that. See you, and have a lovely Easter again. Bye!